Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are gonna make a color picker application in C#. First of all, we are gonna create a new project in Visual Studio and select Windows Forms application. We are gonna give our project a name, say color picker, and create. From the toolbox menu, we are gonna choose panel in order to show the output color. Let's make it a little bit bigger and choose trackbar. Again, expand it, and the maximum value of trackbar is gonna be 255. Minimum is 0 and the maximum is gonna be 255. Now let's copy, paste. Okay, now we are gonna give them labels. Red, copy, paste. This is gonna be green, and this one is going to be blue. Now we are going to choose every scroll action event. From here, for every scroll, form 1 is going to be loaded. Now we are going to add our project text boxes in order to show the value of RGB and the final color in hex format. Okay, let's make them a little bit smaller, and another text box to show the final color. And by double clicking on the form 1, we are going to jump to the backend side. Here we are going to assign the trackbar values to the panel background. Panel 1 dot background, is gonna be color dot from RGB trackbar 1 dot value and trackbar 2 dot value, and finally trackbar 3 dot value. Now we are going to assign the trackbar values to the text box 1, text box 1 dot text is going to be trackbar 1 dot value, and here we should change this value to string. Again, we are gonna do this assignment to the rest of the text boxes. Finally, we are gonna add track bar values to the last text box in RGB format. For.text is gonna be track bar value. Again, we should change this value to string. We need 2 digits in hex format, so we are gonna write x2 here, and we are gonna append all track bar values together. Track bar 3, track bar 2. Now we are done. Save this project and start. Here you can see that we have a color picker application in C#, and by scrolling you can have your desired color in hex format. Let's change the font of this text box in order to have a better view. In design, scroll to find the font. Make it bold and a little bit bigger. Start again. Now it has a better view in output color format. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and comment below. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.